Today for phonics, we are on lesson 112. So make sure that's what you have on your paper. You should have all of that situated and ready to go by now. Let's read through some sounds. Un, re. It's at the beginning of a word, friends. It's a prefix. So what is it? D, dis, B, X or eggs, in, E, like erupt. All right, spell sounds. Woo, went too fast. First sound, dis. It's a prefix. Like in book. Un. Remember on that one slide that we do frequently lately, it seems like, and it has like goal, zol, pull. Okay, this is one of those. This one is bull. Really making you think on this one. 3 prefixes that mean not. 3 prefixes that mean not.
Can we write them on separate lines?
That's fine, because that's our last one. So 3 prefixes that mean not.
I need one more. I'm pretty sure this is one. Brush your head down like
All right, red pens. Our first sound was dis.
A symbol.
Okay, the next sound was like in book.
So far, so good.
Then un.
Wait, did you say prefix on? Okay.
Huh?
Did you say prefix? Like so far?
I don't know, but it's still the same.
This one.
Okay, then bull.
Okay. I switched the E and the L around. Bell? Yeah.
All right, then the 3 prefixes that mean not.
I'm confident in the first one. I think the first 2 I got right.
Did anybody have in?
No. I did.
Okay.
Okay.
Dis.
Yes. I got it.
And then
No. I just crossed out on. I got the one right on I got none. I just didn't get in. Like not on. I got on. I crossed out on and then like. Me too. I only got.
okay, class.
Yes.
Let's read some words, please. So pens down, pencils down, attention up on the board. Ooh, does, goes, for, your, gone, done, more, right? Again, want, give, live, could, would, have, should, very, against. All of these have the same prefix, which is dis. Disagree, disband, disclose, disgrace, dislike, dismay. Distrust, disable, disclaim, discharge, dislodge, dismantle. Discord, dispute, dismiss, discard, disgust, discuss. They all have the double O. Does it say or oo?
Both. Yeah, both.
Is it saying both sounds? Okay, let's read them. Cool, soon, coop, hoop, spoon, wool. Because we don't say wool, do we?
Wool.
Took, look, snoop, brook, stood, shook. Hook, crook, football, loom, stoop, hoodlum. Hoodlum is like a person that gets in trouble all the time. Okay, read those two sentences to yourself. This word is discounted. Two thumbs up when you have them both read through. Okay, let's read the first sentence together. The nurse treated the hurting child. Again. The nurse treated the hurting child. Next sentence. Ask about the discounted prices. One more time. Ask about the discounted prices. Okay, read through those two sentences. Okay, first sentence. He wore a heavy leather jacket. Again, read it with me, fluently, smoothly. He wore a heavy leather jacket. Next sentence. My mother and my aunt or aunt, right, were eager to share their insights. One more time. My mother and my aunt were eager to share their insights. Spell some words. I feel like this is going quick today.
Quick.
First word, slipper.
Slipper.
Here's. Listen to this though. Here's my pencil you may borrow. So here's my pencil you may borrow. Dislike. Uncooked.
Uncooked.
Sight word. Build.
Build.
Flapping.
Flapping.
Like the bird was flapping its wings. Flapping. There's. Listen to how I use it though. There's a trash can right there. There's. Disable.
Disable.
Goodwill.
Goodwill.
Pupil. That's a sight word. One sentence. Their team won't win this game.
Their team won't win this game.
Okay, then get your red pen once you have those done. Okay, your first word was slipper. So if you think of the word slip, it's that short vowel consonant. Before we can add the to it, what do we have to do to our consonant?
Double it.
Yes. All right, then we had the word here's. Here's my pencil. I could say it as here is my pencil. So it's actually a contraction word. Here's my pencil. The third word was dislike. So the prefix dis and then the word like. Uncooked. Prefix un. What's saying in cooked? O, and then just a K because that's not a short vowel. What's saying ed? Sight word build. B-U-I-L-D. Okay, we had flapping next. So it's the base word flap. Short vowel, consonant. So it's that one more what?
P.
One more P here, and then ing. There's the trash can. I could say it as there is the trash can. So it is a contraction word. There's. Our next word was disable. Prefix, dis, and then a bull.
Yes.
That B-L-E, bull. All right, goodwill. Think of the word good. What's saying in good? O. Make sure my D is actually a D. And then the word will. Ill.
Can you capitalize that since it's a store?
I didn't give it as the name of a store. But if it were used as the name, then yes, you would capitalize it.
So, but we can count it wrong if it wasn't, and then if it is.
Depends on if I would have used it in a sentence. I didn't use it in a sentence though, so it doesn't matter. Okay. All right, then the sight word pupil. P-U-P-I-L. Are we ready for the sentence?
Yes.
Because I need to clear this. All right. Their team, so it's belonging to them, right? It's theirs. Okay, so that there is T-H-E-I-R. Their team. What was it? Won't. Contraction word for will not. Won't win. Is it this?
Yes.
This game.
I put I-E.
Okay, their team won't win this game. It's not contraction word there because you couldn't say our team won't win this game. That wouldn't make sense, would it? And it's not talking about a place, like over there. All right, let's look at our new material. It's another prefix. I think it was a prefix. Yes. Com. This prefix is like in the word combat. Okay, and it means with. So if we look at some of their examples, compact, that means that it's something that's small, right? Complete. So we could say or come, right? Complete, compare, compose, combat, compress, complain, compute.
I was gonna ask what's complain, because I was thinking of airplane.
Oh, not that plane, is it? No. Okay, so let's practice some of those. On the left, add that prefix on that short little line, the prefix com. So it was C-O-M hyphen. Got it? Let's do the word complain. complain about phonics, but you don't know all the prefixes yet. So complain, you should have written the prefix. Oops, I forgot to mark a pin there. That C-O-M. And then what about the plain? Pull?
P-L.
What about the A in the middle of a word?
A-I.
A-I-N. N. Okay, the next word is complete. Complete your work.
It's almost like P. How many words are we going to do?
So the word complete is the prefix C-O-M and then pleat, pull again. What about the eat? It's the vowel consonant silent E. So E-T-E. Compare. So again, the C-O-M prefix, pair. What about that air? Vowel consonant silent E. So A-R-E.
Yes.
We're going to do one more. Compute. So we know it starts with that. Now figure out the pute. Okay, so compute. P. What about that ute?
U-T-E-E.
Right, it's a vowel consonant silent E, so it's U-T-E. All right, then let's take a look at our worksheet that goes with this. We've done one similar to this before, where we have to add on this side the dis prefix to all those words, and then we're going to write it correctly. And then over here on the right side, we're going to add the com prefix, and then write the whole word correctly. We're going to use these words. We're not going to rewrite the whole sentence, okay? We're just going to use these words that we make up here to complete the sentences down here. Okay, so there's 2, 4, 6. There's 2 words you will not use up here in a sentence down here. All right? All right, go ahead and work on that by yourself.